every flood comes a flood of emotions. Every fire, a momentary spark of uncertainty and a loss of control. And when it's your home, your business, or your belongings that become damaged, you don't just want things clean, you want your life back as well. And that's where SERVPRO comes in. A company with over 40 years experience in cleanup and restoration, SERVPRO franchise professionals are faster to any size disaster. Our number one goal is returning damaged areas and items to pre-loss condition, doing all we can to help homeowners and business owners regain control following a disaster. With SERVPRO, our goal is to make it like it never even happened.